Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and check deleted messages on Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Messenger app on your mobile phone. Upon doing that, this is how it's gonna look like, right? Now go ahead, simply tap on this option of a 3 horizontal line on top left. Tap on gear icon on top right. Now scroll on to the bottom till you find this option of Meta Account Center in the bottom, and tap on this option of your information and permissions. And simply you will find this third option called downloaded information. Go ahead, tap on it, and now tap on this option of download or transfer information. Go ahead, tap on it. Choose your particular Messenger account of yours. Right over here you can see plenty of accounts are selected. Go ahead, remove them and choose your Facebook. Now tap on next, and you can see how much information do you want, available information, specific types of information. Tap on it and choose only messages. Now tap on next. Transfer to destination you can choose, but choose download to device. Tap on next, and you can see date range. You can choose last year, recent, last week, anything accordingly. Once you're done, tap on save. Format as well you can choose according to how you would like, in media quality, and tap on create files. Upon doing that, it will ask for verification provided, and you will be able to ask for them for your data within at the 2 or 3 business days. You will receive a notification on your email or either on your Facebook, and you will be able to check out the file of yours including all the deleted messages on Messenger. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.